Richard, good morning. This is Nate coming to you from Tameron Hyundai. Just want to reach out to you with a quick walk around video of the all new beautiful Santa Fe. This vehicle has been redesigned for 2019. Let me tell you just a little bit about it. It does have the honeycomb grille as well as the LED wraparound headlights. It does have the aluminum alloy wheels on it. Again, Hyundai takes safety very, very serious, Richard. So we do have the blind spot monitoring in the mirror. And if you come inside, I'm going to show you a couple of quick things about it. This vehicle does have the lane keep assist as well as the 7-inch touchscreen monitor with the Android Apple CarPlay. Once you Bluetooth your phone to the system, that's going to allow you hands-free operation to answer phone calls, send text messages, things of that nature, Richard. But I'm going to tell you one of the beauty and the best parts about Hyundai is the warranty. 5 years, 60,000 mile bumper-to-bumper warranty. They consider that America's best warranty. You can't beat it anywhere. You try out Ford, Toyota, any of them. Not going to beat the 5 year, 60,000 mile bumper-to-bumper warranty that's on here. Also going to give you a 20-year, 200,000 mile powertrain warranty. Again, that's exclusively at Tameron. So you have to come see me. My name is Nate, 205-287-2321. And Richard, you're going to love the way you're treated here at Tameron.